similar to the Cadillac CT5 sedan. Anticipation surrounded the refreshed Cadillac Escalade initially slated for the 2024 model year. However, the release got deferred to 2025, aligning with the sedan. Noteworthy enhancements for 2024 include the integration of GM's Super Cruise assisted driving technology as standard across all Escalade trims, excluding the entry-level luxury. This feature is bundled with other ADAS technologies like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, requiring an OnStar 3-year premium plan subscription at $49.99 per month. Paint options see revisions, with sandstone metallic replacing mahogany metallic, and the Escalade V celebrating Cadillac's 20th anniversary with limited edition black diamond tricoat. However, the configurator still lists crystal white tricoat for the 2024 Escalade V, expected to change. A notable change is the increased MSRP for trims with the 6.2-liter V8 engine, rising by $5,200 on all but the base luxury trim. The Escalade offers two engine choices, the 6.2-liter V8 and the turbocharged 3.0-liter Duramax diesel inline-six. Pricing details after the $1,995 destination charge for 2024 compared to 2023 are as follows. Luxury 6.2, $83,890. 3.0, $83,990. Premium Luxury 6.2, $95,190. 3.0, $95,290. Sport 6.2, $98,190. 3.0, $98,290. Premium Luxury Platinum and Sport Platinum 6.2, $112,690. 3.0, $112,790. The pricing difference between the gas and diesel engines is now marginal, a notable shift from the 2023 pricing structure. Opting for the ESV adds $3,000 for more interior space, while selecting driver-selectable four-wheel drive incurs an additional $3,000. The only free shade, Black Raven, is available, and other colors come with a $625 price tag. On the V side, the supercharged variant starts at $154,290 after the destination charge, marking a $3,200 increase from 2023. The ESV option includes all-wheel drive as standard, adding $3,000 to the total cost. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.